And welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing Bitcoin. We had a crazy crash yesterday. Everybody got so scared. They all said this is gonna be the end of the bull market. Bitcoin is gonna now go down to 50,000, 30,000, 25,000, and then boom, we had a crazy rebound to the upside from $62,200 to $65,000, and market makers decided to short all the bears. What I want to show you, which is quite remarkable, is in our VIP group, guys. Yesterday at 9:42 in the morning, right? I want to show you that it's actually yesterday. So, where is 1st of August 2024? We already put down the plan over here on the 4-hour chart. You can see what we say over here, and we say specifically potential rebound from here towards 65,000, and then we're going to see a rejection. And look what happened over here. We had a rejection at $65,000. We went down to roughly 62.3, and then we climbed back up all the way. So everything went like a textbook. And of course, based on this, our members, guys, have made insane results. Look at the results we made yesterday with the VIP group. Shorting, longing, 120%, $1,000 in a day, 92%, 53%, 43%. Guys, we are one of the best community on trading in the world. So if you want to really make serious money, guys, you need to join the VIP group. There's no other way. Trading results, trading calls, crypto chat, altcoin analysis for your investor, your trader. Of course, if you want to join, people ask me. There is a link in the description below over here. But also, if you want to learn how to trade my strategy, my method, which enabled me to make, at the moment, I'm making roughly in between 6 to 10% every single day, if not more. You can also learn the FT $1 million strategy, link in the description as well. Is going to really change the way that you trade. Now, guys, let's go into Bitcoin and let's see what's going to be happening right now. So we had a beautiful pump to the upside yesterday. We can see that at the moment on the daily, it showed that we had a nice hammer candle over here, which usually is signifying a potential for a reversal. I believe that we are still not out of the woods yet, and we might see maybe one more low in place in between $59,000 to $60,000, maybe in August. But at the moment, what I'm expecting could be what we call a relief rally. A relief rally is a bounce to the upside to take liquidity by the market makers, and then they're gonna dump the market again. So what I can expect from here, guys, looking at Bitcoin chart at the moment, you can see from here what I could be expecting could be a potential pullback around this area over here, reaching in between $66,000 to $67,000, and this will be in correspondent to our Fibonacci retracement over here. The 61.8% is now at 67,200, and the 50% is roughly 66,200. So I would say, in my opinion, around these two areas over here, we are going to go and find an inflection point, which is going to be roughly over here. Once you're going to reach this level, there is a chance that what could be happening, we could see another drop to the downside. So the way I see myself right now is this one over here. So you have a crash over here, so A movement here, then you have a B wave roughly around here, and then you're going to have a C wave, which is similar to the A wave. So A, it's over here, B, it's over here, and then C is going to be the same as A and B. So it's going to bring us back to roughly $58,000 to $59,000. And if you actually have a look at this, guys, I'm going to go and cancel everything I have here. If you're going to go and open our Fibonacci retracement, let me just get it straight away from here. You can see that at the moment, guys, the 61.8 Fibonacci golden pocket is roughly at $59,800. So what it means that there is a very high likelihood of going back into this area. And I'm not saying we're going to go back to this area 100%, but what I'm saying is there is a likelihood that we could be going down that area. And if I have to give you a prediction of time as well when this could be happening, I would say that it might happen potentially next week or the week after, because what I want to see now, as I explained before, I want to see a corrective wave to go to the upside from here, with Bitcoin potentially starting from today, and then going up to this way over here, and then complete this way down to here. And then once we're going to go down to here, guys, it is my expectation that what we're going to see, and that level I'm also considering, because you can see these two lines over here, I'm considering that this is going to be what we call the wave 2. So we have one over here, then we have two over here, or even starting from here. Then after wave 1 and 2, we are going to have finally wave 3. So wave 3, we could maybe say from here to here, bring it up to this area. And this area could be above all-time high. So $78,000. Then a pullback from there down to this area. And then from here, we are going to have, so we can call 3 over here, 4 over here, and then we should be having 5 around the 85 to $87,000. So that's the way I'm seeing right now. And also utilizing our Fibonacci extension, we can see that going down to this area, 86,000, 87,000, that's where everything is actually converging right now. So it's quite remarkable, the fact that technical trading can actually help us to understand what could be happening. But of course, guys, I'm not saying that this is going to happen 100%, because there is, of course, the possibility. I'm going to go on the weekly chart. There is a possibility that instead of seeing straight away this movement over here, which in my opinion, it looks like that we are having right now just a retest of this area, and then a big pump to the upside. You can see even on the weekly, on the Bollinger Band at the moment here, we are retracing up to this area. So we could be seeing maybe by before Monday a retracement up to $66,000. But at the moment, guys, what I can see from here was like a simple retest of this area, and continuation should come very soon, something like this. But otherwise, to give you like and I don't want to freak you out, because I'm still very bullish on BTC. But our friends market makers, they like to play the game. They like to scare people out, to make people weak hands to sell. So there is a potential, there is a possibility, lower than of course anything else, that we could be seeing a last movement to the downside, down to maybe 50,000, and then finally big explosion to the upside. At the moment, I'm not thinking about this scenario, but it's something that if we lose this level over here, let's say 60,000, we're going to close below 60,000, then could be something to take into consideration. Now, another reason why I am bullish as well is the fact that Jerome Powell with the Federal Reserve said that they were about to uh, keep interest rates unchanged, but the bond market is pretty much thinking otherwise. And you can see the 10 years treasury yield already going down. So whenever you're going to see this one going down, in general, this signifying a good, like an inversion of this. Whenever this one goes down, in general, crypto and stocks go up. So looking at the 10 years going down this way is making me think that we're going to be seeing crypto to go to the upside very, very soon. And the Fed in September are going to cut interest rates. Even from here, I explained so many times, we are seeing a head and shoulder from here. And this head and shoulder now is playing out with a target, as I explained before, roughly around here. So if we're going to go down to 3.6%, I could definitely say that in September, the Federal Reserve is going to cut interest rates. So that's really what I see. And I've been drawing this chart long time ago, almost like a month ago, playing out perfectly. And the other thing, guys, is the DXY. DXY as well. Fed said we're going to keep rates unchanged. The DXY is going down. And in general, whenever DXY is going down, is actually a very good sign. And if the Fed is going to cut interest rates, that they're going to make the announcement in September, then I could be see DXY to really take a big hit, maybe go down to 102 or even as low as 100. And of course, if this happens, then it's going to put lots of fuel for Bitcoin to continue to go to the upside. So that's what I can see right now, guys. So the situation, in my opinion, looks very bullish. I like to see this fixed income to go down, which is very positive for crypto. DXY as well going down. We can also have a look as well at the S&P 500. SPX as well shows a very good level of support over here. We can see that we had this recoil back up, rebound back up here, and then we went up to this area, big candle down to this way. So I guess we have two potential scenarios from here. Number one is the resumption of the uptrend from here and to go to a new all-time high, which is sitting at roughly $6,300 maybe by October, December 2024. Or we could be seeing a last drop, which will be in line with Bitcoin drop at 59K. We could be seeing S&P going down from here to here, down to this area at roughly 5,250. And then from there, we could be seeing the last blow off top coming like this. So that could be one alternative scenario. We can see that maybe something like that. And then just put it here. It's going to bring us by November $6,200. So there's going to be our two potential scenarios. So overall, guys, still feeling pretty good. I told you yesterday not to worry too much about this war and FUD and all of that. Be very careful with these things. But guys, if you want to really learn how to trade crypto, Bitcoin, have research, and understand the game properly and make these kind of results I was talking about before, join the VIP group, guys. You will not regret it. This is the best you can get. Crazy results, and we are positive most of the time. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you have a question, please leave a comment down below. But otherwise, I really hope you're going to have a great weekend. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you later.